Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wahyu Abdillah, and in this opportunity, I would like to deliver an informative speech about the importance of having bank account. So, why is it important to have bank account? In this era, having our own bank account is very important in various transactions. We will face many difficulties if in financial aspect if we don't have it, but we will get many benefits if we have it. And here are some difficulties if we don't have bank account. The first one is we will must always carry cash because if we don't have credit card as a modern way to pay, we should pay with conventional money like like money, conventional money. Modern store nowadays usually prefer to have a transaction in the convenient way than the old way, like using credit card or online money to save their time because if they use conventional way, it will spend more time to counting the money or giving the money or giving the change back. So yeah, and then the next difficulties is we will difficult to do money transactions. um, we will difficult if we want to send or receive money from people like our parents, friends, or anyone else who's being far away from us. Of course, it's a loss for us because we don't know when something emergency that needs money could happen to us. And next, the difficulties is a lack of protection. Banks that are FDIC insured will guarantee the safety and accessibility of our money in the event something happens. Imagine when we keep our cash in the drawer or under the mattress, there are no such guarantees. If our home catches fire or or we are the victim of a burglary and our cash is gone, it is most likely gone forever. If the same situation strikes our bank, our money is protected by bank. And the last difficulty is that we don't get if we don't have bank account is no record of spending. If we spend only in cash and don't write down what we are spending or where, then we lose the ability to have accurate financial records for planning purposes. A bank account provides a monthly statement which shows that uh, what what we spend and where we spend it. The statements may be necessary at some point in our life, especially if we want to buy a home or qualify for a personal loan. And after difficulties, we have some benefits of having bank account. The first one is um, flexibility of money transactions. Um, as we know, if we have our own bank account, we are able to use many facilities from the bank which provide our banking services like ATM card, credit card, and many more. For example, is credit card. No people doesn't have to bring any cash on their wallet, but only the cards. With the card, they can do any transaction as they want, and they only have to swipe the card to the debit machine, and then the transaction is done. And next, the benefit is many facilities that we can use. There are some mobile facilities that we can use if we have a bank account. Um, we can use mobile banking or SMS banking for our transaction. If we want to send money from our bank account to our friends or parents or anyone else, we only have to get our banking application on our phone and then input the account number of the person our that we are going to send the money to, and then the transaction is done. And then another benefit is we can pay for many transactions besides send and receive money. For example, if we want to buy something from e-commerce or online shop, we can pay it only by our smartphone. And the next one is bank accounts offers convenience. For example, if we have a checking account, we can easily pay by check or through online bill pay. It's also cheaper than buying a money order. If we get an ATM or debit card for the account, we can withdraw money easily or make payments at stores. A debit card is usually accepted for purchases anywhere credit cards are accepted. And the next one is bank account is safe. Our money will be protected from theft or fire. Plus, our money will be federally insured. So, if our bank or credit union closes, we will get our money back. The maximum amount of money that can be insured is $100,000. And the last one is bank account can help you access credit. Banks and credit unions can help you access credit to acquire a home, a car, student, or personal loan because banks tend to favor existing customers, particularly those who manage their money well. Plus, going to small loan lenders that lend you cash quickly can be quite expensive because they charge lending fees and high interest rates. And we have the conclusion here. In conclusion, having bank account is very important for our financial activity because many benefits that we can get from it, whereas we will face some disadvantages if we don't have our bank account. So, what are you waiting for? Create your own bank account soon. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.